Okay, good morning, Stan. This is me, Valentine. This video is in YouTube just for you. It's an unlisted video. You're the only one that has this video. So, I'm going to explain to you what I did to the bike, what I wrote in the letter, and I can't explain it with words, so we'll do it by sight. Now, here it is, the bike. It's actually being set up there with all kinds of gadgets and things. These tires are now flat proof. There's a sleeve in there, like some kind of Kevlar sleeve, and then the inner tube, brand new inner tubes, filled with slime. There, if I get a leak or if anything can penetrate through the sleeve and into the inner tube, well, the slime will come out and seal the hole. So these two tires are leak proof and flat proof. Okay, the battery. This I took from there, put it in here. It fits, but I can't use the door. So this is what I took out. This. In your letter you said maybe I shouldn't recharge while the battery is connected in recharge mode, so this would disconnect the battery from the rest of the mechanism. But I didn't know that, so the only thing you told me to do was plug this in. I didn't know I had to disconnect the battery from the source or from the circuit. So with this one, the only thing to plug in, I thought, well, this is useless, and more useless because this just came out, even more useless. So it just came out, it was popping out, so I guess that's no good. And then this wouldn't shut properly. It's so easy to come apart that, you know, it won't even lock right. So I figured, man, cut it out, you know. Oops, sorry. Can't get it to fit in now. Oh. So it locks, and it doesn't really want to lock in place. So I just took it out and I hot wired it. So here's the hot wiring that I did. The problem is I can't disconnect the battery when I charge it. So I hope I'm not running into trouble. Anyway, that's what I did. Here, I'll show you some more of what I've done. I got this beautiful cell phone holder so I can videotape my trips. I got this beautiful light from New Zealand, 1200 lumens. There's the battery that goes to the back to connect it. I got this warning light on the end. As far out as I can get it. I wish it was farther out, but then this came with a light. This came with a New Zealand light. Pretty bright too. It's got a whole bunch of things on it. And this is bright too. You know this one, I guess. You know this one. Ooh, baby. That's a bright. Here, let me show you this light. Okay, let me just plug it in. Alright. It's plugged in. Here's the light switch. So that thing's really bright. Just lower and lower, and then it has a flash mode. So in nighttime you can imagine how bright that is. Okay, so unplug. Still going. You got a helmet that matches the bike. Got these wonderful bags that they're like quick release. they hook onto the mechanism. That's it. They're in place. Let me see if I can get a picture of me. Watch this. Here. And then the bottom hooks to the thing there with the hook. So that's a quick release. What else? Tires. Excellent bike. I've been using this gear because the two gears found these two gears on the inside. They're like too small already, too weak. I need the speed, so I got that going on the outside. These are fully adjusted. Brakes and everything are working perfect again, and I'm gonna clean this naturally. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm trying to get the battery to fit in there, that's for sure. I'd like one to fit in here. And with all those gadgets that I was talking about, like the cutoff floater, whatever that is. I guess. Okay. I'll see you later, and hey, this gets a little warm when I charge. I guess that's alright. Just a little bit warm. I hope it's not because of that. Okay. Anyway, Stan, thanks for all this help, and I'll email you again and send you some more pictures. Okay, thanks. See you later.